If you're following us, you've probably seen a bunch of really quick videos on how to make cocktails in the ColdOne. I thought that was enough, but apparently it doesn't resonate well. So I'm gonna show you how to make whiskey and cola 2 gallons at a time. And, you know, before you chime in about that's a lot of alcohol for one person, know that this product is made for like 5 or 6 people. So comment as you will, whatever, it's fine. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Probably sub 3 minutes if I had to guess to make 2 gallons, but we're just gonna get after it. I'm gonna prep this guy so when we're done we can just slap the keg in. And then we're gonna start mixing. I generally like to start with cold liquids. These are not cold, but usually when you start with cold liquids, you don't have to cool it down as quick. So I recommend that, but we'll just get after it as is. This part's pretty fun, although this bottle is strange and doesn't seem to pour as quickly. So I'm gonna help it out. I usually go alcohol first, because that minimizes the foam when it comes to foamy liquids, carbonated beverages like our friend here. Also, when you start with cold liquids, they foam less for the carbonated guys. Super easy. You're having friends over to watch the football game or the NASCAR or whatever. This thing is pretty sweet. I'm a little biased, but I admittedly use the shit out of this because it's fun. Use it for beer, use it for whiskey and colas, Jack and Cokes. Use it for margaritas, Bloody Marys, whatever. I can't remember. I think 3 2-liters will fill it up more than you want it to. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. It's very close. And this will make about 9% ABV cocktails, which is about perfect if you ask me. So we have this threaded spear. We'll put that guy in there, tighten it up with our, let's call it patented tool. Tighten it. I'm even gonna write on it because we're having a party. So I'm gonna write RC and W. That's what we're gonna call it. RC and whiskey. Whatever the whiskey is, doesn't matter. Put the keg in here, and some bozo, it was me, forgot to get ice. So imagine that I'm putting ice in here. Ice. Put the ice in there. Make sure your faucet's shut. Tap your keg, which you can't see from that angle, but we've shown 100 different times how to do that, so look for it. Get a new cartridge. Oh, I forgot to shut it. That will happen. I guarantee that will happen to you. It's fine. We're not here to impress anyone. Put the new cartridge in. Will you stop dripping? You're embarrassing me. Tighten the cartridge. Put our lid mat back on. But there's no lack of carbonation.